Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen, and I hope you all are doing well. I am back again with another recipe. So in this video I share with you how to make fisherman stew. It's a very simple recipe and it's absolutely delicious. So I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. So now let's go ahead and make this delicious fisherman stew. So to begin with, I'm going to be using fresh tomatoes, some ginger, onions, garlic and fresh habanero peppers, salted fish and fresh mackerel, and all the guts were already removed when I bought it from the shop. So I'll now cut them into pieces and wash nicely with some lemons, and we'll continue from there. So I'll now go ahead and wash them nicely with some lemons and set it aside. Next, I'll go ahead and season it with vegetable seasoning, and I'll let it sit for about half an hour. Next, I'll go ahead and cut all the vegetables. And at this point it's all done, so I'll transfer them into a blender and I'll add a tablespoon of dry rosemary, and I'll cover and blend them all together. Now to a saucepan, I'll add some palm oil. To it, I'll add salted fish. This is to infuse the oil. So I'll stir and fry it for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the blended. So I'll now go ahead and stir it nicely and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'll go ahead and add the mackerel. So I'll add my spices. I'm adding in a tablespoon of curry powder, cumin and coriander powder, and also vegetable seasoning. So the vegetable seasoning also have some salt in. I'll now give it a gentle stir, and I'll cover and let it simmer again for another 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 to 10 minutes, I'll now add some chopped onions, and at this point it's all done. very delicious fisherman stew. And I hope you have liked and enjoyed this recipe. So I'm going to be serving it with some banku. This recipe is very delicious and simple to make, and I hope you will try this as well. So I'm serving it with my banku, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like, and also share if you like this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a blessed week. Bye.